Hello, my name is Alberto Viñas. My group number is 24. Today, 14 March 2021, I come to present the case of Airbnb. The project consists of providing accommodation to people in an unusual way in family homes in which they will consider and exploring the culture of those areas, thus giving a low-cost tourism route wherever there is a problem. The expression bring anywhere, the cause of it, one management of or deployment of social networks. There is no image that creates truth does not have direct hearing, too low in manage or quality, bad customer experience, poor economic management before it servers, three they have no control over their service by not having a contract share my biggest fervent that eliminated the I choose to lots of the client insecurity and to trust in some clients. Thank you.